Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see how to easily remember the names of 20 amino acids with their structures. Before that, we need to know what is an amino acid basically. What is an amino acid? Amino acid is nothing but a molecule which contains both amino group and carboxylic group. The 20 amino acids are classified into 7 types: acidic amino acid, basic amino acid, neutral amino acid, sulfur-containing amino acid, alcoholic amino acid, heterocyclic amino acid, and aromatic amino acid. First of all, let us take these 3 classes of amino acids alone. First, we have written acidic amino acid, followed by that basic amino acid and neutral amino acid. Remember the pH scale. Acids have low pH value. So, first I have written acid. Second, followed by that, basics have high pH value compared to acids. Secondly, so that I have written basics. Finally, neutral. Neutral means nothing. So, last I have written neutral. Let us come to the last. I have written heterocyclic amino acid and aromatic amino acid. Heterocyclic compounds contains 5-membered carbon ring and aromatic compounds contains 6-membered carbon ring. 5, 6. So, based on that order, I have written heterocyclic amino acids first and second aromatic amino acids. Now we are clear with the order of 5 classes of amino acids. We have left with 2 amino acids in between, sulfur and alcoholic. Sulfur and alcoholic, both when consumed in high amount, may cause harmful effects to organisms. So, it should be under control. So, we have written these 2 classes of amino acids in between. It is controlled. First of all, we have taken the first 3 classes of amino acids alone. Acidic amino acid, glutamic acid and aspartic acid. Basic amino acid, lysine, arginine. Neutral amino acids, valine, alanine, glycine, leucine and isoleucine. We have taken only the first letters of all amino acids. For example, in acidic amino acid, G for glutamic acid and A for aspartic acid. So, Ga, acidic is shortened to Ga. Basic, lysine and arginine, so La. Neutral amino acids, valine, alanine, glycine, leucine and isoleucine, so VAGLI, vaguely. Actually, there is no perfect order of remembering these mnemonical letters. We must remember these just as it is. For example, Gala vaguely, Gala vaguely. If you tell this 10 times, it will easily remembered into your memory. Gala vaguely, Gala vaguely, Gala vaguely. Now we are here with the second set of classes of amino acids: sulfur-containing amino acid, cysteine, cysteine, methionine, alcoholic amino acids, serine and threonine, heterocyclic amino acids, proline, histidine, hydroxyproline, and aromatic amino acids, tyrosine, phenylalanine and tryptophan. We will be taking only the first letters of the amino acids: cysteine, C, cysteine, C, and methionine, M. So, 2C, 1M. In the same way, S, T, P, H, H, 1P, 2H and TPT, 1P, 2T. We have linked these letters with the help of this sentence. CM, Chief Minister, is concerned of physical health and physical training. CM is concerned of physical health, PH, and physical training, PT. So, by this, we can easily remember the names of amino acid. Now, let us move on to the structures of amino acid. First of all, let us take the acidic amino acids. These 2 amino acids, aspartic acid and glutamic acid, are acidic amino acids because they have 2 carboxylic group attached to a single molecule. So, the entire molecule becomes predominantly acidic. The other name of aspartic acid is alpha amino succinic acid. Alpha amino succinic acid. Here we have the term succinic acid. What is a succinic acid? This is the molecular formula of succinic acid. It has a 2 carboxylic group attached and it has an alpha carbon also. The difference between these 2 molecules only is the amino group. That is only given in this name, alpha amino succinic acid. In the alpha carbon, if you remove this hydrogen, This hydrogen is removed, and instead of this hydrogen we are adding amino group. In this way succinic acid becomes aspartic acid, that is alpha amino succinic acid. Based on this, you can easily remember the structure of aspartic acid. Now let us come to the glutamic acid. Glutamic acid is nothing different from aspartic acid. It is more or less similar, only it has one extra carbon atom. Here we have two carbon atoms attached to carboxylic group, and here we have three carbon atoms, 1 2 3, three carbon atoms attached to the COOH group. Now let us see how to easily remember the structures of neutral amino acids. The neutral amino acids are glycine, alanine, valine, and isoleucine, leucine. Another name of glycine is alpha amino acetic acid, alanine is alpha amino propionic acid, for valine it is alpha amino isovaleric acid, and for leucine it is alpha amino isocaproic acid, and for isoleucine it is alpha amino beta methyl valeric acid. Now let us see how to easily remember these structures. Let us see this name, alpha amino acetic acid. Here acetic acid is the keyword. This is the structure of acetic acid. Acetic acid has three hydrogen atoms attached to the alpha carbon. The difference between these two molecules, glycine molecule and acetic acid molecule, is only the amino group attached to the alpha carbon. So by replacing this hydrogen atom and adding one amino group, we will be getting the acetic acid. Moreover, you can see the right side of alpha carbon, this NH2, that is amino group, this hydrogen, this carboxylic group is same in all these amino acids. Not only these amino acids, all the 20 amino acids has these common things, one amino group, one hydrogen, and one carboxylic acid group. Now let us see how to remember this structure of alanine. Based on the structure of glycine, the difference between alanine and glycine is only the methyl group. Here we have hydrogen attached to alpha carbon, but in alanine we have methyl group attached to the alpha carbon. So we have cleared with two structures. Now move to the third structure, valine. Valine has two methyl groups attached to the beta carbon. Here there is no methyl group attached to the beta carbon. This is the difference between alanine and valine. So based on this, you can remember these three structures. Now let us move to the fourth structure, leucine, alpha amino isocaproic acid. The difference between valine molecule and leucine molecule is only a carbon extra added. Here we have two carbon atoms attached to the carboxylic group, and here you have three carbon atoms attached to the carboxylic group. So based on this difference between these two molecules, now we are clear with the remembrance of four molecules of neutral amino acid. The last one is isoleucine. Based on the difference between valine and isoleucine, here you see the difference is there is no attachment of any group in valine, but when you add a methyl group to this carbon atom, you get isoleucine. So based on these ideas, you can easily remember all the 5 amino acids present in the class of neutral amino acids.
If you like the video, please subscribe our channel by pressing the subscribe icon and click on the bell button to get notified about latest videos.
Thanks for watching the video.